Hello, here we have a Kambrook Cafe Espresso Coffee Maker. It was sold here in Australia as a Kambrook, but in the States it was called a Maxim Express, and in Europe it was called a Solac Express. And it's made in Spain, and I got it recently, and I've given it a bit of a clean, but I haven't made any coffee out of it. So that's what we're going to do right now. It did come with instructions, which is very handy, and I must admit I have cheated and read them. But I did have to have a laugh. You can tell that it was built in a different era when it has a section on how to enjoy your coffee with your favourite booze. So according to the instructions, step number 1 is to fill up the little jug down there, and it's got some lines on it to tell you whether you're making 2 cups or 4 cups. There you go, you can see those. But it also says if you're planning on making steam, put a little bit extra water in it. So anyway, I've just filled it up there to the 4. See how we go. So we unscrew the top. Tip the water in. Screw the top back on. And there you go. So the next step is to actually put some coffee in the filter basket, which is in there. Now it does have on the sides there some lines to tell you how much coffee to put in, but it also does say that they're just a guide, so I guess you can basically do what you want. So we will put some coffee in there. I'm not going to make a mess everywhere. Failed on that. All right, now the next step is to tamp that down. Get some pressure in there. Not really the right tool for the job, but anyway. That'll do. Put that back in there. And hook it into the machine. Put that back under there. Now you see here has this little sort of slot in the top which sort of locates itself under there. Right. So next phase is get the milk ready. So one of the things that points out in the instructions is that you can only heat or froth the milk when the machine is actually on making coffee. So you've got a pretty limited window, I guess. So we'll get the milk in the jug and we'll get ready to go. That's probably enough. Okay, now for the moment of truth. So it will start to boil, I hope. It says in the instructions it takes about 4 minutes. So that's about 1 minute. And I can hear it starting to do its thing. So we might get the steam on and see what happens, eh? Nothing yet. Well, that's as open as the valve will go. We'll see what happens. Come on. Come on. I might have gone a bit early on the steam. It's starting to boil, I can hear it. There we go. Oh, we've got bubbles. Come on. Any coffee coming out yet? No. Oh, there we go. We have made frothy, there's no doubt about it. Close it off, let the coffee get finished. I don't know if you can see it there, look at that, that's frothed up milk, if ever I've seen it. Alright. Coffee. I think we're done. I'll switch that off. All right. Well, here's the moment of truth. Does it taste like coffee? I hope so. And milk. And froth. Look at this. Well, not exactly the best cappuccino you've ever seen, but there's like legitimate warm milk with froth on top there. Tastes like coffee. Wow, it's actually pretty nice. Well, I guess that's it. There's the Kambrook / Maxim / Solac Cafe Express Espresso Machine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.